Now this time we are going to discuss also about while loops. Now while loops is used to execute a block of code if and as long as the expression given evaluates to true. Now I'm going to give you an example, but then again this is how we are going to construct our while loop. First we go with the while condition followed by the condition, and then the thing that needs to be executed if the condition is met. So we have the code to be executed. Okay, so this will be executed. If this condition evaluates to true, then we can increment or decrement. So it's up to you what condition you are going to set here. At this rate, I will be setting this one again into a comment so that it will not affect our code. And I'll start from HTML. So make sure that this is the syntax. Everyone should be aware of this syntax, followed by for this one I'm going to set this one into while loop. Oops. I'm going to set this one into a while loop. So let's start from the body, which is of course PHP, followed by the thing that we're going to set here. Let's just say I'll start the countdown from 10 to 0, and then it will say timeout. For this example, I can set here again a $sign followed by W, and let's give here an example such as time, so that we will know, followed by the number, which is the value will become 10. And what we're going to do here is that we are going to set now the loop. So I'm going to set here the while and then the possible condition that we need to do for this loop to execute. So I'm going to set here, which is will be equivalent to 0. At this situation, I will be creating a decrement value instead of incrementing the value of this one, so it will count down to 10 until it will reach 0. So at this rate, what I'm going to do inside this one is I'm going to execute this into time, followed by an echo, and then the thing that I need to do here is that maybe I'm going to print it out. Let's just say I'll print out, or let's just say I'm going to decrement the value first. Minus followed by echo, and what set here is that the value of time. So what will be the value of time right after? And let's just say I'm going to set EVR here. Remember that that sign is a concatenation. So please never forget about concatenation. It's very important. It's just a dot, but it is also very important if you want to connect this value every now and then, the value of time. Now, after this one, once these are all being executed, we can also set up something here that says timeout, meaning it will end if our value have already met or does not satisfy this area, and just say timeout. And then we can set this one into VR. So take note, VR. Like this. Then we can start here the echo. So the loop stop at I. Let's just say I set here time will be on a specific value, which is the value of time, or the time specifically. Let's save this file. Let's save file, save as the same area. I'll be using the while loop. Save. This is same. Go to your file, and then this one I'm going to save here localhost while loop.php. So what happens here is that it started from 10, and then it decreases until such time it will meet 0. Now take note, it stopped at 0. It's because the condition that we have already stated here. It says here that time should be greater than 0. So if the time reaches 0, what happens here is that it will still print out, of course, the value of 0, but then again, when it also decreases this one, it will now become -1, and then that will be the right time that the value will become, or the condition will be false, and then it will print out the prints below this condition.